This is my mother. She is medium height and physical. She has curly black hair and brown eyes. She is very organized and intelligent. She is also loving black hair. Sometimes brown eyes. He is very handsome, but she always wants handsome. Best of he is strong and this athletic. Is my sister. He is very talented and can work short and slim. She has long hair. Sometimes he is a little. She is very funny and friendly, but she is also very happy when energetic. She loves stage music and dancing. He's my brother. Mother. She is a medium age. He has short. She has short brown hair and dark eyes. He is very energetic. She is very elegant and playful. She is keen and fast. A little lazy. She is always very friendly and likes positive. She loves his family very children. My son is small and cute. Father. He has short hair and strong eyes. He has short hair and happy. My daughter is serious. He has long hair and also very intelligent. Smile. He is responsible and hardworking. Sometimes he is routine. We are dinner at very 7 with my 0 o'clock p.m. I go to school in the morning. I do my homework. He in the afternoon and he practices music. He has black hair and brown eyes. He usually is very famous and serious. Famous and serious. TV is night with conclusion. This is my family back and they are very important to me and we are big and he is happy family. This shy, is my this is activity because I practice English. His brother children. My family. Thank you for watching my video. Very cute and very shy. They have big eyes, short hair. They are very playful and energetic. They are always with happy and loved. They love to play and laugh together. Description in the physical appearance and personality with my family. This is my father. He is tall and strong. He has short black hair and brown eyes. He is very responsible and hardworking. He is also keen and patient. Sometimes he is serious, but he is very funny with the family. This is my mother. She is a medium height. She has curly black hair and brown eyes. She is very organized and intelligent. She is also loving and caring. Sometimes she is